In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Passkey on Notion. A passkey lets you sign in using your device's built-in biometrics or PIN instead of typing a password, making logins faster and more secure. I'll guide you through the exact clicks and share a few tips so setup is smooth on your device. Open your browser and go to notion.com. On the home page, click Login in the top right. On the sign-in screen, choose the Google option, then select your Google account and complete any prompts to finish authentication. If you normally use another sign-in method, that's fine. The steps inside Notion are the same once you're in your workspace. When Notion loads, open the Workspace menu by clicking the small drop-down next to your workspace name in the upper left. From that menu, click Settings. This opens the Settings panel for your account and workspace. In the left sidebar, go to your Account section, the one that shows your profile details and security settings. Here, look for the Passkeys area and click Add Passkey. A quick primer on what you're enabling. Passkeys are based on modern web standards and verify it's really you on this device, typically with Face ID, Touch ID, Windows Hello, a device PIN, or a physical security key. They're resistant to phishing and remove the need to type or remember a password every time. For the best experience, use a current version of Chrome, Safari, Edge, or Firefox, and make sure your device biometrics or PIN are already set up. If you don't see the passkey option, try a desktop browser or check whether your organization's sign-in policy restricts it. Next, click Add New Passkey. Your browser or operating system will show a native dialog asking how you want to create the passkey. You can use this device's built-in authenticator, like your fingerprint, face, or PIN, or choose a hardware security key if you prefer. Follow the on-screen prompts. If you're using a security key, insert or tap it when asked. If you're using the device authenticator, approve with your fingerprint, face, or PIN. When the check completes, Notion adds the new passkey to your account. You should now see the passkey listed in your Notion security settings. From here, future logins on supported devices can be as simple as approving with your fingerprint or face. If you use multiple devices, consider creating a passkey on each one you regularly use, or ensure your password manager or platform sync is enabled so the passkey is available where you need it. And if you're on a shared or managed computer, a dedicated hardware security key keeps access separate. That's it. You've enabled a passkey in Notion, and you're ready for faster, safer sign-ins.